This is why you need to understand the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. These moments not only ended a war, but also changed the world forever. On August 6, 1945, the first atomic bomb, named Little Boy, was dropped on Hiroshima by an American B-29 bomber. This unprecedented attack resulted in the immediate deaths of approximately 70,000 people, with total casualties rising significantly due to radiation exposure. Just 3 days later, on August 9th, another bomb, Fat Man, devastated Nagasaki, claiming the lives of about 40,000 people initially. The impact of these bombings was profound and multifaceted. Beyond the tragic loss of life, they prompted Japan's surrender on August 15th, effectively ending World War II. But the legacy didn't stop there. These bombings also ushered in the nuclear age, highlighting the devastating potential of atomic weapons and shaping international relations for decades to come. As we reflect on these events, it's crucial to remember the human cost and the powerful lessons they teach about warfare and peace.